This is a home theater from Philips, and it's 5.1 home theater. I just bought it from Amazon, and today I bought it. Let's open it up. There's a serial number, model number. The model is SPA8000B. It says 12,000 watt PMPO, which is huge. Let's open this up. I like the smell of a new product, electronics especially. So this is, what to say, you can hang it somewhere. Alright, so this is the speaker. You see it's a 3-inch driver, and the cabinet is MFD, I think, which is a good thing. And also there is a phone mount option at the back, and this is the wire with the connection pin, RC pin. There it is, you can see the speaker right away. The nice thing is that the design is very good, looks so nice, so premium, but there is no front grille. This is the user manual, and this is the, I think, the cable for FM antenna, and this is the RC cable input, and this is the remote control. It is the same one that you have seen before in the Philips 2.1 home theater. Same remote, same size, same design. Let's check out the big boy, which is so big. Ooh. Well, you can see this is huge. Has an 8-inch subwoofer driver, and this is, the cabinet is made out of MDF, high density MDF kind of thing, and our port is on the other side. You can see bus reflex port, and this is the front side. So this is the front. The Philips logo is here, and the display will be here. Yes, and this design is very nice. And on the right side, here is an SD card and USB card slot. All this is the back side. You do not open, caution, do not open this cover here, plastic cover. I think fuse is here, maybe. I'm not sure about that, but this is the input for auxiliary, and this is the DVD input. And this is the output for 5 speakers. This is the on-off switch, and is the power card, and there is the antenna for FM. So you can see that this thing is pretty huge, and I guess it's gonna sound huge. Okay, and in the remote you can see there is a button for Pro Logic, so I think the Pro Logic features is in there, which is going to give a good surround effect, I guess, if this thing works properly. Now let's do the sound test. It's in the auxiliary mode. You can see it's connected to the PC there. So first we're going to test with the PC. So let's see how does it sound. So many things that I left unsaid.
shaking and I'm breaking. Is this love?